Hi guys, let's go camping today and our driver is Tatay. It's my first time to camp.
First time to camp?
My first time in history in Canada na mag-camping ako ah.
Really? I even camped back
No, kasi nung ang last na camping ko siguro mga high school naman, pero hindi naman camping yun. Nag-stay naman kami doon sa parang bahay ng mga ng teachers camp ata yun sa Baguio. Pero ito yung first time dun sa may nature. Dalawang car kasi hindi kami kasya.
Okay.
So
Papa,
let's
press
go.
yung mouse, yung sa side, sa taas. Yan, that one.
Let's go guys. Ito.
Then start.
Dadaan muna tayo ng Tim Hortons. Oh.
The car is heavier, so it will brake slower. Tatay Bonnie!
Hi, ganda! We're fully packed. Hi!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Bakbakarga.
Drive safely, Tatay.
Napatry tayo dyan kadwa tayo.
Okay lang. I put all the address there. The McDonald's, the ferry terminal.
Makulimlim ang weather ngayon, guys. Dito sa Victoria, BC.
We're just gonna travel an hour and a half.
There's no sun. An hour and a half to the ferry? Oh, and then from the ferry.
I like going to like islands to go camping. Then it feels like a real getaway.
Nice. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ay, alin? How do you like the driving here, Tatay?
My God, I like it.
It's a
Not
holiday.
crowded.
It's holiday.
It's a
Not
holiday.
traffic.
Everybody's home.
Adaak lang arod nga para saon, dapay map na. Adapay sursurutan na. Adaak pa nga para ngaw-ngaw. Oh, lalo nga maliton. Relax ka lang.
Ay, nakikat eh. Matanawan na ni Roberto.
Ito camping aja ko Arubayan. Pupunta kami sa nanay mo, hindi tatay mo. Sasakay ng ferry going to the island. And sa island, doon kami magkakamping. Nasarhang ka na, Bernardo.
Mahina ako eh.
O kaya nga, bilisan mo.
Don't worry.
Be happy, relax. Dito pa lang sa my city guys is ang ganda na. May mga view na mga mountains. Lake sa kabila. So,
Nay!
nabak ka ba na Talong makmak. So daan muna kami guys ng breakfast.
I want McGriddle, sausage McGriddle. They want sausage McMuffin. I want vanilla iced coffee.
With coffee for us.
Bumabakay na kuman.
Kuma?
Like 10.
I know, we don't have, they have tent, but it's so small. So, pang kami to. Ay, ipitasit si kayo ni Oran.
It's a part of our summer thing.
Normal na lang sa kanila itong mga bundok-bundok na ito. Dito sa Victoria. Vancouver Island, I mean. Sa atin sa Toronto, magandang view na yan. You have to go up north to see this.
I want him to be in front. He drives different.
Kanain mo nga.
Talaga,
In
una na
your
sila.
behind. Not in your front.
We always have to like wait after like
Yeah.
sa
So dapat na nagpumboy kayo.
Ganda dito, oh.
Yung nasa likod talagang
Sumusunod.
Lagi day ko da kumboy meng o talaw sa duwa. Tikat mo na ribu ka sa waiting in waiting.
Saksaya tayo batin jayon. Anya. Mama. Wow! Taas namin guys. We've been here before, right? Nadala natin ate din. Pantay nag-climbing. Oh, ganda guys, oh. Lakes, mountains, cedar trees.
Cedar tree. Cedar.
Porme mo tan-latan ah. Ah, nice. clouds dito, guys.
Do you remember, Berna, when we going to Manila? You and Ross here at the front because like it's cloud, it's foggy.
Sea of clouds, guys.
Nalagi po nga dyan?
Yeah.
Normal lang ito.
Ross?
Ni Papa, ni Lulu.
We are now in Sea of Clouds.
2 times, dikit and then
Taas-taas dito kasi nasa bundok na kami. Oh.
That's happening lahat.
Low visibility.
Ay, di kung pwede ka kaya ito natin.
I mean, we always do road trip. And then we stop by at this pit stop.
Rocky Mountains.
Lucky Mountain.
So we're gonna take, guys, a ferry going to the island called Gabriola. So pupunta kami ng ferry, sasakay namin itong 2 cars to go to the ferry.
Here's 5 cents and straight ahead to lane number 3 for me.
Okay, thank you. You too. What number?
I think we're gonna loop.
Straight ahead. Kabel kong tao?
Ata, Ferry Ming, pagsakayan dito muging mo, magkikita, nagtaklan.
Ni.
Hello, Dad. Si Amelia hindi pa iniihi. Sa ferry nga, paihiin mo mamaya. Gano'n mo.
Guys, sasakay kami daw sa ferry na yan. Pero 10 minutes, dadalhin kami doon sa island na yun. Oh.
Yan.
Hindi yan? Saan doon? Sa kabila pa?
Right there. On your right.
Doon?
On your right.
Oh?
On your right. On your there.
Anong oras ang ano natin?
Island na
Tingnan mo
yun.
Good morning, my sweetheart. Sarap tulog niya, hindi sabi niya.
So guys, yung mga sasakyan na yan, they're all going to...
I didn't hit the record.
boat.
I thought it was recording. When she was 4
So papasok na kami dyan, guys. So first time ni Bernie magsakay ng sasakyan sa boat. Parang Roro siya sa Pilipinas. So we're gonna go to this island daw. Dyan.
Ay, mas maliit to, no?
So cute lang siya. Yay! This is island life.
It's like we're in Italy.
Punta kami sa So, andito kami sa bar.
This is the most proper washroom you can go to. So if you want to drop your bum now.
Ayan. Lalabas kami sa car and then we're gonna go sa taas. Hello! 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 Hello, baby! Hello, hello! Mag-washroom muna kami. Amelia! Mag-washroom break daw kami. Ihi kami kasi sa campingan walang ihian. This is my newly baby, grandbaby. May passenger lounge, pwede kang mag-snack. Stay sana. To open the door. Oh. Oh, let's go. Go. Huwag ka maingay kasi tahimik lang yung mga tao dito. Sorry. Ay, ay, ay. So pretty, a baby. Karin, Maya. Where's Maya? Where's Maya? Pretty.
Go upstairs?
The ferry is moving. Ooh, it's moving. Let's go upstairs so we can see a better view. Huh? Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Are you okay? You sure? Okay, be careful.
Look at mommy, ate. Ate daw.
Hello. Nagkadayo tayo nga sigo ganyan. Ayun yung sasakyan namin. Ayun. Puti na yun. Halos hindi makita.
Are you cold? Put your hands in your pocket. It's gonna land, baby. Look.
Ganda ng island, guys. Amaya, you having fun?